Hello adventurers, and welcome back to my channel. Today has been a wonderful day thus far. I'm starting off a little bit later today. We came over and had some coffee at the Black Rifle Coffee Company once again, and it was so good. So we have decided this is one of our favorite coffee places here in Kalispell. But with that, just now time for us to get off to a little bit of a weird adventure today. So today we're going to be going and trying on some boots. Now I have a reason for this, but I'll share that in the future, but it's going to be kind of fun, I think, if we end up doing it. But for now, I got to figure out what size I wear because I haven't worn a boot in a really long time, and cowboy boots fit a little bit differently from place to place, brand to brand. So I'm going to try on several different pairs and see what works best for me. Now here are my challenges. I have big calves and small feet, so we'll figure that out. But while we're there, I think Dee wants to try on something kind of fun too. So we're about to go on a little Western adventure, and the place that we're going is something that was highly recommended to me. So let's see what we can find. Okay, we made it, and I've already plugged in the batteries so that they can charge while I am in fact inside. So we'll see what happens, but for now we're gonna try on some boots and see if we can find something that works. I don't know, we'll see if this works. Check out downtown Kalispell, guys, and we're going right here to Western Outdoor. So currently these are the shoes I'm rocking with today. We have Chucks, so very different kind of style that we're gonna try on, and the pants I have on are loose so that they can go either over the boots or they can go under the boots. Dee is with me, so she's gonna... You have on socks, and that's all that matters, Dee. I'm going to be looking for something different than what I'm going to be looking for, but it could be kind of fun. Hi, Monty the Moose. Boop, boop. Unrelated to our mission. This is cool. This is a collapsible canteen cup. Huh, that'd be good for van life. No big deal, just a bare back scratcher. Charles did tell me also there's an antique store here, so we might have to go downstairs because it's so soft. The question is, what kind do I want to try on first, just for sizing? Okay, let's start off strong with some pink. I think these are going to be too big. These are Ariats, but they're 8.5s, which I think are going to be too big. Let's see though. Here comes the shoe. Here comes the boot. And ooh. Oh yeah, those are big. Those are a little big. My toe feels like it only comes to like here. So at least I need to shrink down to an 8. But check it out. Sitting right in front of a bunch of 8s, so I'm going to try on the 8s next, and I found this boot. This is kind of cool. Again, it's not so much about what they look like as much as it is how they fit. Here's a 7.5, slightly higher calf, so we'll see how that one works on the fit below and the calf. Okay, the 7.5 definitely fits better, and this actually works well on my calf too. I like that it has a split for the shin. It's just really weird to look at me in cowboy boots, guys, but yeah, that actually works. And it feels good in the width too. I don't feel like it's too tight. My toe comes to where it's supposed to come to. These are slick on the bottom though, that's wild. Okay, let's try on another 7.5, different style with less square of a toe. Okay, so these are totally my vibe. Like, I know this sounds really crazy, but I love a good sparkle moment. So these are great. These are 7.5s, and they feel so good. These are not what I'm looking for, but oh my gosh, I need these in my life, I think, just for fun boots. These are really comfy in the toe box too, so yeah, maybe this is where we go. Good news is, I think I figured out my size. It's like 7.5 in most boots, so that's good. So that will be on the noggin. We couldn't find the shoes Dee was looking for, so we're gonna go to another place, and I might try on some more boots just to see some more brands. But for now, we are obsessed with this pair of overalls. I see these. Look at these. Oh. Everyone needs these. They're so nice, and they're so lightweight.
Yeah, that's the fun part.
They're so cute. Okay, we gotta get away from these because I really kind of want these now.
It is impractical in a van.
I mean, I could make these.
You basically have to strip down to go pee.
True, that is true. But I could make these work. But then I'd have to learn to tie better knots because otherwise I'd be naked in randomness.
You know what you could do is put like
clips,
like carabiners.
Oh. Then we could be very industrial van life.
Cool.
Also, I feel like these are like super fun art pants because they're Angie. Angie's the brand. So if you see these are really cute. Apparently boots, chaps, and cowboy hats, nothing else matters. Sure. Now, I know several of you are probably scratching your heads saying, why are we doing this, Bunny? This is weird. What kind of adventure day is this? Well, sometimes the adventure day is just the lead up to the next adventure. And I have just been kind of just like joking about this with another person for a little while. One of my best friends that went on some of my earliest adventures with me was my friend Pam. My friend Pam has always been involved with horses and rodeo and stuff like that. And I've always been the friend who has just kind of been cool with everybody who does that, but never really participated myself. And then we did the wacky rodeo, and it kind of got some gears to turning of something kind of fun. And so I chatted with another friend, and they were like, hey, so what size boots do you wear? And so it's just kind of been a fun thing. And so we'll see if this goes anywhere, but finding my size in these boots has actually been pretty helpful because I was able to learn a lot more about the different styles. And I showed you guys a few, but I didn't show you all of them. But Ariat did pretty well for me, so that was a good brand. Also, I tried on a couple different brands. Some of them worked better than others, so we'll see. But we're gonna go to Murdoch's because we have to go find those other things for D, and I might try on some more stuff while we're there. But this store is really, really cool, and I really liked it. And the antique store below also has tons of stuff. I'm gonna save that for you guys for whenever we do just like a shopping day one of these days. But for now, let's get down the road. Dee and I have some plans, and I want to see what Dee finds because she was super, super hype about trying on these Hey Dudes. So we're gonna see what kind of dudes that she likes. That sounds really weird. That's not what I meant by that, but you know what I'm saying. There's a lot of things here. This is just some of it, but in the meantime, Dee is looking for some shoes, and we found them, so I think she's gonna try some on. I might even try on some Hey Dudes, who knows. So Dee was trying on some slip-ons, and look.
Those 8s are probably gonna fit me.
I think I might try these on. These are 8s. I tried on a 7 while ago, but these have a cork insert, so I'm gonna try these on just for funsies. Okay, take off the chuck and put on the Hey Dude, which reminds me of the show Hey Dude, which used to be on Nickelodeon. Oh, these are, wow. That's actually quite comfy.
I know, right? They are very comfortable shoes.
Huh. I didn't know how I'd feel about like the cork insert on this one, but like...
Yeah, cork is really good. I have...
The only issue I have with the shoes is in the back I have a narrow heel, and look, that just slides. So with a 7 or a 8 it did that. So I don't know that Hey Dudes are for me because they have a more wide overall. You can see even compared to my Chuck, which is worn out quite a bit, so it's stretched. This is wider, so I don't know. These are super cute though. I'm gonna try on these two. These are Laredos, and that's what I tried on the other place. So I was curious to see. This is a different style, but I gotta figure out how to get them open. They're in a boot bag, so I'll pull out one boot and I'll try them on. We're gonna try this one on. These are quilted on the inside, which feels pretty cool. It's much more flexible. I don't know, we'll see if these fit though. Again, just trying to get reference. Okay, these actually fit pretty well, and they're pretty big on my legs. But these will be good with pants, because with boots like these, you want the pants to come up over. You don't tuck it in, that's weird. So these aren't bad. I'm gonna try these too. These are just crazy looking, because look at these are fun. These would be very nice, and I could work with the black, I think. So we'll try it. I think these are gonna be too narrow, but I am gonna try, so we'll see. These are definitely a no. These are really cute, but definitely a no. Very much more narrow. So super cute. That's a no. These are very nice. These are Tacovas, 7.5. Again, they look really weird with these pants, but these feel quite good. Like, and they fit my heel, which is the nice part. So Tacovas are a yes. These are the boots. Don't look at the price. It's really terrible, but these fit, and these were so comfortable, and they were the most like comfortable boot I've tried on today, probably because of that price, which hurts. But I probably wouldn't do white, but they have them in this, like brown also. Again, work in progress. This is not in my budget, but ooh! We went past the boots and I saw these cute little milk cartons. I just thought these were super fun. It's a 2-piece set. It's on sale. That's actually really cute. It's not my style for my house, but like it is kind of quirky and weird like my house. So I was like, ooh. But I think I'm gonna pass. We're gonna go look for some camping supplies. We don't know where we're going, so we're just kind of looking around, leading the way, and we are going to go look at the gift section and the man bar. What is the man bar?
I must go.
Okay, now I've got to figure out what the man bar is. The man bar is, oh, it's like beard supplies and mustache supplies. That makes way more sense. I think we found the camping section, kind of. Look at all of these cups. Every color. Ooh, that was actually a silicone straw. Look at, that's different. Okay. So every color you can think of.
For my van.
Ooh. And then on the other side, we have all the Yeti stuff. All of the coolers. And a few other things. And then, of course, the Yeti tumblers also. The Rambler. Ooh, that one's neat. Has a little handle. We are camouflage. You can't see us. I found Mountain House. They have breakfast skillet, biscuits and gravy, beef stroganoff, beef lasagna. So they have some good ones in here. They have all the little jet boils here. Ooh. I'm contemplating getting one of these guys. What do you think? I have the electric version, and this would be the actual version that I could use as a fire version. I also have Midland radios, and I've been using my Midland radios for a long time. I'm thinking about getting some more soon. But in the meantime, if you guys are interested in Midland, I do have a code, so you can get a little bit of a discount. So I'll put that in the comment section below for you guys. Because Midland and I have been rocking together since like 2017, 2018.
Did that make that noise?
Looks like they have the buckets too. These are the buckets that you can get that have more servings in them. So that's like a preparedness thing you can just keep in your house. But they have the pouches and the cans. This is cool. Wasn't expecting this. Okay, overall that was a super good trip to Murdoch's, and we were able to find some interesting things. Now, they didn't have the shoes in stock that Dee wanted, so now she can go and proceed. They were super comfy though. I was really impressed. I think for me, the Hey Dudes are a little bit wide, but that's okay. But they're a great adventure shoe. Like our friend Charles wears his all the time and said that they're just really, really comfy. But today's been one of those days where it's just been kind of a fun day for us just to get out and see some new things. Finding all the camping food is really interesting. If you don't stop off at stores, you don't know what's there. And so we came for one thing, we saw some other things, and we were able to find a few additional things also that kind of get the gears to turning. Now, anytime that you're going to any kind of store that is a farm supply store, normally there's something there that could work for some level of camping, either hiking boots, or like here we had the jet boils and the Mountain House, the Stanley Cups, the Yetis, all of those things. So stores around you of all shapes and sizes have things for camping, for travel, for stuff that you could get yourself into. So even if you're in a tiny place, go look at your local Tractor Supply or your Murdoch's or the Western Wear store. You never know what you'll find. Today has been interesting. I don't know if we'll end up with the boots soon or in the future, but we have some ideas for sure. And now that I know what size I wear, that's really helpful. It is also nice to know that because my heel is smaller, that some boots fit better than others. And so I definitely needed to try them on. That's for certain. I think now we're just gonna head back toward the property for the day. Today was just a really low-key day. I talked to Riley, she's gonna be here in a couple days. So I think tomorrow we're gonna have like family style dinner with like a few of us. I'm also trying to figure out when our other friends are gonna be arriving. And so since that's all kind of up in the air over the next couple days, I think tomorrow we might get into some kind of little adventure. I'm not sure what that's going to look like, but you can have adventure no matter where you go, whether you are doing something grand like all the hikes that we've been doing, or something small like just seeing different places around you. I think it's important for you to adventure in any way that you can. If you go to a new town, go to a store you haven't been to before. That's even an adventure, whether you believe it or not, because it shows you something that you might not have otherwise known. Now with that, we have about a 10-minute drive back to the property so we can get all settled in. I might do a little bit of editing this afternoon. We will see. But for now, I have some gears a turning. I need to make a few text messages to some friends about the possible special project, and I don't know, we'll see. But the world is our oyster, and now I feel so much better because I checked something that was on my list off of it. It was a silly thing to check off the list, but it was something that I've been meaning to do for a little bit. So who knows, maybe in the future we'll go to a rodeo, or we'll go to the stockyards in Texas again wearing some boots, or we'll go to a concert, or we'll just go and hang out and yeehaw. I don't know. I don't know, guys. The world is always weird in my life, and you see that from place to place. But I hope through coming along with us today that you've been inspired to at least try something new, even if it's something silly. Even if it's something that you don't see yourself necessarily doing all the time, go and do the thing. The only thing we didn't do today was try on some cowboy hats, but I've done that many times before. But, you know, it just goes to show that you can have a multifaceted life and enjoy a lot of different things. And just more than anything, get out and do something fun with a friend. We had such a blast just looking at the different fashions, envisioning how you could use some of the items, including like the horse buckets for van life. A lot of people use just the standard 5-gallon, but we found some others that you could use. We found some collapsible items here. And again, super, super fun and not terribly priced items, with the exception of those boots. Those were very, very expensive. But let's get going. I'm gonna drive for a minute. I'm gonna put my sunglasses back on. I'm gonna listen to some radio. And I think that today, I think the song of the day, just for irony, is Save a Horse, Ride a Cowboy. Yeah. It's time to make some dinner, so I'm gonna put some chicken. This is just like regular chicken strips in here. I'm gonna set this for like 10 minutes on the air fryer, have it hooked into the Jackery, and while that's cooking, I'm gonna get the rest of my sandwich put together. Okay, I have my wheat bread, I have some spinach artichoke dip, some bacon, and some spinach that I've put together. And now I'm just waiting on the chicken, and then I'm gonna put it kind of in between, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of seasoning and hot sauce in here, and that should finish off my sandwich. Okay, there we go. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of Yellowbird to it. So I'll probably just do a little bit of Yellowbird like on this side. There we go. That's good. And then I'm gonna add also just a sprinkle of my garlic sriracha because it has a really good flavor to it. And I'll just put that over here too. Kind of go over the whole thing, and then we'll close it up and we're good to go.